We don't solve. This is Crenshaw and Imperial. This is about that's Crenshaw and Imperial right there. This is Bank of America. We are not so alcohol. They are lulling me to go and cash a fraudulent check in my business account. This is Planet Fitness. This is Crenshaw Imperial. I think there's an accident right here. As you can see, the paramedics are on site, as well as the fire service, as well as the PD. We don't know what the situation is, but this is likely to be an accident, or maybe I don't see any vehicle except if it's somebody that hit her. Then except if she had like cardiac arrest or cardiac attack. The paramedics are lifting her right now, trying to transport her to the hospital for urgent services. See why America is beautiful. Yes, America is a state of art country where the government prioritize security and healthcare. She's being lifted to the hospital right now. I don't see any accidental vehicle. This might be a medical emergency. Thank you for the law enforcement for responding.
I know, don't get caught in the middle of the roadway though, just don't.
Yeah, this Inglewood PD. The spot over there was where Pascal assaulted me sometime in June. The case is still at the police station. I'm waiting for him to come up with an apology and settlement. If not, I'll be pressing $1 million lawsuit as an incorporation. If I'm pressing a lawsuit, I press a lawsuit as an incorporation. I don't press a lawsuit as an individual, because he assaulted me, choked me, hit me, broke my iPad, stole my iPhone I used for my documentary and my project, valued at over $70 million by TJ Records Entertainment. And I'm classified that Pascal is committing child support services fraud by working under the table for a lot of companies that are already provided to FBI and CIA. You cannot be owing $52,000 in child services and you'll be wiring millions of naira to Nigeria. That means you're paying the American government, even though your passport is sophisticated. Pascal has a lot of DUI, but he still drives. Pascal has multiple assaults at Garina. Pascal has assaulted more than 6 people. Pascal personally testified he committed bank wire fraud with a lot of individuals. I mean, I'm landing 7 count charges on him. I want to escalate his case to become him versus America, you know. So let me go to the bank and withdraw $20 to smoke cigarettes. Because Nigerian people say I'm a madman. That the only thing I do in America is to smoke. So let me go smoke. This is CVS Pharmacy. This Bank of America, we are Nonso and Chibike, Miwu, and Kinsley brought out $100,000 check and was telling me to cash it, that they will give me $1,500 when I already know it's a fraudulent check. As God might have it, down the run right now. If you're in America, if you don't know you're blessed to be here and you're doing funny things, then if they pick you up, that's on you. God bless you all.